If you think simply uninstalling the Facebook app frees you from the platform, you're mistaken. Facebook continues to store your data even after the app is removed. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest 2025 Facebook settings and show you how to permanently delete your Facebook account without any confusion. If you're serious about protecting your data and want to leave Facebook for good, make sure to watch till the end, otherwise your account might never be fully deleted. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device and tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. Step 3. As per the 2025 update, you'll now see the Account Center option. Tap on it. Step 4. Go to Personal Details and then select Account Ownership and Control. Step 5. You'll see two options. 1. Memorialization. 2. Deactivation or deletion. Select Deactivation or deletion. Step 6. Next, you'll be given two choices. Deactivate account temporary or delete account permanent. Choose delete account. Step 7. Confirm deletion. Facebook will ask you to confirm your identity. Enter your password and tap continue. Step 8. Final confirmation. Facebook will display a warning stating that all your data will be permanently deleted. To proceed, tap delete account. Bonus tip. If you'd like to keep a backup of your data, photos, messages, posts, etc., use the download your information feature before deletion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share. And if you want to discover more hidden features of social media platforms, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Remember, your privacy is in your hands, so always make informed decisions. Take care and Allah Hafiz.